And since the cousins are here, we thought that you should go ahead and open it.
Okay.
Does that sound good?
Yeah.
You want to open your Christmas present? Okay. Okay. Well, it was kind of too big to put in the house.
Sorry?
Hold on.
What in the world is it? A tractor?
I bet they got you a car.
It's really big and it's in that box. Can you get it?
Yeah.
Can you go see what's in that?
Yeah.
I know. Are you so surprised? Are you in shock, Calla? Your dream just came true.
Oh my gosh.
Look, how many do you see in there?
2.
2 kittens.
It's Autumn and and Coco.
Look at them just waiting in the little bed for
And
you.
she gets to keep them?
Yes. They're joining our family today.
Can we pet them? Can we?
Yes, you
You
can.
gotta wait till Christmas to pet him.
No. Can I open it? Wait,
I think we opened the bottom.
Oh. We don't get on.
Oh, Calla. Are you so shocked? I think you're in shock right now. Calla, you got 2 kitties for Christmas. You got pets. Me and Daddy are gonna figure out the allergies. And you get to have kitty cats.
You guys are allergic to cats?
Andrew is a little bit.
Wait. So they're gonna stay in the garage?
Sometimes. They might sleep out here. We'll figure it out. They may come in sometimes. Yeah.